Hello everyone and welcome back to ML Electronics YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing a piece of gear that's perfect for anyone looking to step up their audio game, whether you are a podcaster, streamer or just someone who loves great sound quality. The NT-USB Mini is a studio-quality USB microphone designed for recording direct to a computer or tablet. Smooth frequency response and professional sound quality make the NT-USB Mini perfect for singing, podcasting, gameplay, live streaming, musical instrument recording, voice calls and video call. The Rode always does a great job with their presentation. Alright, let's get this opened up and see what is inside. In the beginning, you got a quick start manual with instructed images. Also, we can find the USB Type-C cable, which connects the microphone straight to the computer. Right away, we greeted with the microphone itself. Wow, this thing looks amazing. It is compact and has a solid build, it a professional look and feel. Here is the magnetic desk stand. Makes it super easy to attach and detach the mic by being magnetic. Let's connect the microphone to the laptop and test it. I will show you a quick sample. Hello everyone, this is a test for the microphone and the USB Mini. Let me know what do you think about the quality of the sound recorded by this nice and tiny microphone, which is built from metal totally. So you can go down and you can speak closely to the microphone. And let me know what do you believe about this quality. Now, as I said, I'm speaking just maybe 10 centimeters away from the microphone. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy recording!